Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun and practical. Alright, I want to show you how to divide fractions. Okay, so let's say you have two fractions you want to divide, like 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So to divide these fractions, you just have to do keep, change, flip. So it means you keep the first fraction, change the sign, and then flip the fraction after the sign. Okay, so I'll keep 3 over 4 the way it is, keep, change the sign to multiplication, and then flip the fraction after the sign. So that will be 2 over 1. And I could easily multiply my fraction out. So remember, for multiplication of fraction, straight way, right? Numerator multiplies numerator and denominator multiplies denominator. So you have 3 times 2 over 4 times 1. 3 times 2 is 6 and 4 times 1 is 4. You can reduce this to 3 over 2, okay, and which is 1.5, okay? But if you don't want to go straight forward, though at the end of the day you still have to do straight multiplication. But the first thing you should check is there a common factor between any of the guys upstairs and any of the guys downstairs? Is there a number that can divide a number upstairs and also divide a number downstairs? So you check that around. Oh, I can see 2 here and 4. So 2 can go in 2, 2 can go in 4. So you can easily reduce that. 2 goes here, 1, and 2 in 4 is 2. So 3 times 1 is 3. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Can you see? Alright. So I always advise that if you're doing multiplication or division of fractions and then you get to this point where you have changed everything to multiplication, you should, before you do your straight multiplication, you should first check if there is a way you can beat down your fractions by dividing any of the numerator or denominator that have a common factor. Right, so you just use that to reduce them, and then you can then have your answer in the simplest form instead of first combining them and then later trying to reduce again. So you save your stress of multiplying first before dividing. But whichever method is comfortable for you, that's what you should go with. Right?